Story 10 signs you both are truly meant to be together, not by coincidence, but by divine design. 1. Your souls recognize each other instantly. The first sign isn't logical, it's spiritual. When two souls are meant to be together, their energies recognize each other long before their minds do. You might meet for the first time, yet it feels like you've known them forever. There's this sense of comfort without effort. Your heart doesn't race, it relaxes. You don't feel the need to impress. You feel understood in their presence. You feel at home. And that's the magic of a destined connection. It doesn't rush, it remembers. It's like two old souls saying, there you are. I was waiting for you. 2. You're drawn together again and again. No matter what happens, even if life separates you by distance, misunderstanding or timing, something always pulls you back. It could be months, even years later, but somehow your paths cross again. When it's meant to be, it won't require force. The connection finds a way, like rivers that always find the sea. Because when two souls share a divine bond, life keeps giving them second chances to meet, heal, and grow together. You can't escape destiny, you can only delay it. 3. Silence between you feels peaceful, not awkward. With most people, silence feels heavy, like something needs to be filled. But with the one, silence feels like music. You can sit next to them, say nothing, and still feel deeply connected. It's because your energy speaks louder than words. Your souls are communicating even when your mouths are quiet. That kind of silence is sacred. It's the language of souls that don't need to prove love. They simply exist in it. 4. You grow spiritually because of each other. When you're with your true soulmate, they don't complete you, they awaken you. They push you to evolve, to heal your old wounds, and to see your higher self. At times, this can be intense because real love doesn't just feel good, it transforms. Maybe they inspire you to love yourself deeper. Maybe they challenge your fears, your insecurities, or your past pain. But somehow, everything they do makes you stronger. That's how the universe teaches love, through growth. Your souls agree to meet not just for romance, but for evolution. 5. You feel their energy even when they're far away. Have you ever thought about someone out of nowhere and suddenly they text you? Or felt heavy for no reason and then found out they were struggling that day? That's not coincidence, that's energy connection. When two souls are meant to be together, their energies remain intertwined. You feel their moods, their emotions, their presence, no matter the distance. It's like an invisible thread connects your hearts. You don't need constant contact to know they care. You simply know. 6. You understand each other without explanation. You can express your feelings without saying much because they get it. They sense your sadness before you admit it. They can look into your eyes and know what you're thinking. That's because your connection isn't just emotional, it's telepathic. When two souls vibrate on the same frequency, communication becomes effortless. It's not about words, it's about energy. They don't just hear you, they feel you. 7. You've met at the right but sometimes painful time. This might surprise you, but divine connections often don't appear when life feels perfect. They come when you least expect them. Sometimes during chaos, heartbreak, or loneliness. That's because the universe aligns these meetings not by convenience but by growth. Your souls meet when they are ready to help each other heal and rise. Even if it starts painfully, the bond carries lessons and blessings that shape your destiny. You don't meet them to escape your pain, you meet them to understand it. 8. The relationship feels safe even during storms. True love doesn't mean you never argue. It means even during arguments, you never stop respecting each other. You can be angry, frustrated, or tired, but deep inside, you know they're not your enemy, they're your person. You don't run from problems, you face them together. Because the bond isn't built on ego, it's built on empathy. And when love is real, even storms bring you closer. 9. The world around you feels different when you're together. When you're with the one meant for you, the world subtly shifts. Colors seem brighter, time feels slower, even silence feels meaningful. It's as if the universe itself smiles, watching you together. That's what divine alignment feels like. Everything around you starts vibrating in harmony with your love. Animals act calmer, songs make more sense, and coincidences multiply. It's not fantasy, it's frequency. Your combined energy changes your reality. 10. You feel grateful even without knowing why. The ultimate sign that you're meant to be with someone isn't desire or attraction or even love, it's gratitude. You wake up feeling thankful they exist, not just in your life, but in the world. Their happiness becomes your happiness, their peace becomes your peace. Even if you can't always be together physically, your heart silently thanks the universe for letting you meet them. Because when two souls are truly meant to be, they don't belong to each other, they belong with each other. And no distance, no obstacle, no circumstance can erase that truth. Final reflection. Love like this isn't ordinary. It's divine, it's rare. It's the kind of love that makes you believe that maybe, just maybe, the universe really does have a plan. When two souls are written in each other's destiny, they will keep meeting until they finally get it right. Sometimes in this lifetime, sometimes in the next. So if you've met someone who brings calm to your chaos, warmth to your heart, and growth to your spirit, don't question it. Cherish it, protect it, because not everyone gets to meet their mirror soul. You didn't find them by chance, you found them because the universe decided. You were both ready. Welcome to Psychology Fact. If you're curious about the hidden truths of the mind and heart, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a fact that could change the way you see life.